In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect and link a Notion calendar, a handy tool that can streamline your task management and scheduling efforts. Notion is a versatile and powerful application that simplifies the process of organizing your thoughts, tasks, and appointments all in one place. Today, I'll show you how to set up your calendar and integrate it with other applications or share it with your team. To get started, first, you'll want to open a Notion page. Once you're on the page where you want the calendar, you'll simply type a / followed by the word calendar. By doing this, Notion will offer you different options related to calendars. Select the option that reads calendar, and this will insert a calendar view directly into your page. Now, you have a visual space to monitor and track your commitments. With your calendar in place, let's move on to populating it. You can add events directly within this calendar view by clicking on the particular day you want to add an event to. A pop-up will open, allowing you to fill in the details such as the event name, description, time, and any other information you might need. This step makes it incredibly easy to keep track of all your appointments, deadlines, and special dates without the need to switch between different applications. Once your calendar is filled out with events, there may come a time when you want to share it with others or use it within another app or web page. In Notion, this is straightforward. Look towards the top right corner of your page and you'll see a button labeled Share. Click on this button and a window will pop up giving you various options to share your calendar. For instance, you can copy the link to your calendar and send it directly to colleagues, friends, or family members via email or messaging apps. Additionally, you have the option to embed this link in another application or any web page where the calendar can be easily accessed and viewed. As you get more familiar with this process, you'll find that linking your Notion calendar becomes second nature. It's an efficient way to ensure everyone stays on the same page with scheduling and task management. Establishing this link will provide clarity and accessibility for your plans, making it a valuable addition to your organizational toolkit. That's all there is to connecting and linking a Notion calendar. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be well on your way to efficiently managing your time and resources with ease, keeping you and your team organized and productive. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay organized with Notion.